Well, my name's Evelyn Koulioros. I come from a big Greek family, so we're all really loud and really passionate about whatever we do. And us Greeks are all about doing what you love. So I decided to follow what I really wanted to do and make a career out of it. Before this, I had already gone to a four-year college and I was working in the field. I just wasn't feeling full. I wanted more, I wanted something different, and I was looking for a change so quickly. So I decided that after a while, what made me happy was baking. So, I looked around and found that we had this great program at COD, and I decided that it was something I needed to do, was go back to school and find something that really made me happy. So my experience at COD with the professors and chefs it's been fantastic. Some of the classes that I've taken so far are a beginning baking class, which was really cool because we did a lot with bread with Chef Carrie, which was really interesting. And then I've also taken a cake decorating class, which is especially interesting to me because that's more along the lines of what I want to get into. As the classes progress, we learn more and more and really dive deeper into the specifics of baking and plating and specialty desserts. It's really cool. So I met with Chef Carrie before I even decided to enroll there, and she was just super pleasant the whole time and really helpful with all the information and really available for me to email or call if I needed anything. Chef Thielman, or Chef T, is hilarious. He's tough, but he's compassionate, and he treats you like a professional and not just a student, which is good because sometimes you need that tough love because that's what you're going to get in the field. And Chef Wagner is just a wonderful person. I love her, and she's really fun to learn from because she has the experience and that she's super smart and she knows what she's doing with cake decorating, and she had her business in Florida, so you can always relate back, and she shows us pictures from things that she's done. So it's really easy to see that we're not just decorating for fun, we can apply it to a real situation, which is really cool. While I'm in school, I'm working here at Blackberry Market, and it was a place that I had seen before I started to go to school, but as I made the transition into school, I wanted to find a job in a related field. So a lot of what we do here, it's really nice because it has a more rustic feel to our food. It's very delicious baked goods, not so much of the fancy plated desserts. But it's really great because that's the kind of food that people want to eat because it's comforting. And a lot of what we're doing here are what we learned in the basics. It's basic, making sure you're mixing correctly and making sure you're baking correctly and making sure that you are cutting equal portions, and it really helps you hone in on those solid skills that you need to have. I would definitely recommend the culinary program at COD because it's very doable. It can be very daunting going into it, and it seems like a lot, and the kitchens can be intimidating because there's so much going on, but the chefs there are just wealths of knowledge, and the equipment that we have, you're not going to find at every other school, and it's an affordable experience. It's something that I was able to go back and do, which I might not have been able to do if I went to a huge culinary school elsewhere. So it's a really great program.